Today we are going to discuss about dollar cost averaging and the patient strategy, the passive strategy which the biggest investor in the world has always guided us with, but we are never following it. I'm speaking about the veteran, the investor, the bull, Warren Buffett. So today we are going to speak about the dollar cost averaging and how investors around the world and in UAE can benefit from this strategy. So, as per me, if the most effective strategy that only takes 5 minutes of your time in a week, which will not put you to choose any stocks, no market watching, no financial degree, the only strategy you need to focus on dollar cost averaging. So, what is actually dollar cost averaging? So before I explain that, I would give a very simple example how you can understand DCA. Imagine you're buying bread every Sunday. Sometimes the bread is 5 dirhams, sometimes it can be 6 dirhams, 7 dirhams, and sometimes 4 dirhams as well. But you don't wait. You don't wait for the bread to get expensive or cheaper. You buy it because you need it. If it is very expensive, you can avoid sometimes, but mostly it's a necessity, so you buy it. But over the period of time, naturally a fair average price comes down because some days you bought at low, some days you bought at high. This is called averaging. And the same strategy you have to use in your investing portfolio as well. Market up, you buy. Market down, you buy. Market goes sideways, you buy. Don't wait for the perfect moment because it does not exist. You buy in a disciplined manner every time, every week, every month, whatever is your frequency cycle. Same amount, same day, every week, never guessing the perfect moment. So this is the dollar cost averaging. If I speak about one thing which Warren Buffett says about stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Well, this is a very important statement which Warren Buffett makes. There are a lot of things which he says about, but I like this today, so I'm sharing this. The wealth compounds over a period of time, and that is what Warren Buffett keeps on saying. So be patient, keep investing small amounts every week, every month, depending on your appetite, but use the dollar cost averaging to create your wealth in long term. So let's see what you can do this week. Decide your amount: 5,000, 500 dirhams, 1,000, 2,000. Every week you have to commit this amount to yourself. Then the most easiest platform for UAE investors is VO Securities. Go to VO Securities, open your account, and then just invest in these two stickers, SPY and Triple Q. These are indexes of US market, and they will give you a broader investing aspect of the US market because this is index investing. It will have the best 500 Fortune 500 companies of US. Your money is not going anywhere. It will compound over a period of time. So every week you will invest in these two indexes only. You can put a recurring order also for the same amount every single week. No need to keep a reminder as well, which I have mentioned. You can create a auto order, so you don't need to open the app, you don't need to do anything. It will auto invest every single week the same amount. Now let's see, if you invest 1,000 dirhams for 5 years, 10 years, or 20 years for every week, what is the amount you're going to put in, and what you will get after 5, 10, or 20 years, considering 10% return or 12% return. So this is the historical data that the US market index investing is giving: 10 to 12% returns on 5, 10, 20 years basis. So if you put in 260,000, you will get 349,000 in 5 years. In 10 years, you will get 906,000, which is almost doubling your money. And in 20 years, you will get 3.15 million. This is on 10% average. If you compare that with the 12% average as well, the numbers are there. So you can see you're really creating a wealth by just being disciplined and investing 1,000 dirhams a week. So if you invested 1 million over 20 years, For every week 1000 dirhams, your money will grow 3.79 million dirhams. That's extra 2.7 million. You don't need to earn it. It's a compounding money which you have made. So this is a compound interest. It's the eighth wonder of the world. Those who understand it will earn it. So this is dollar cost averaging and how it helps you compound your wealth over a great period of time. Now, what is the most difficult part of the brain, and we are focusing that thing only, but rather we should not focus that. Don't say market is too high to buy right now. Keep investing that money, because sometimes if the market is on momentum, it is running on $700 on that moment, and you feel it's high, it will go 750, 800, and you will miss that rally. And it is possible that it can go 5% down from there as well, but again, dollar cost averaging will definitely give you benefit. So don't wait, and don't say the market is too high. Don't wait for the crash, don't wait for the COVID, and don't wait for the time that I will have money, then I will start this. Start with too small money, but start it. Have this discipline. The money can be increased over a period of time, and don't feel 1000 dirhams is too less or something like that. Last thing, which Benjamin Graham has said, the investor's chief enemy is likely to be himself. So this is by Benjamin Graham. Thank you so much for joining today. I hope that I was able to add some value. Focus same amount, same day, every week. Stop. Don't try to increase the money over a period of time. Just be disciplined. Don't think if the market is going up, you will add more money. Market is going down, you will add more money. Just try to focus the same amount for at least a year, then increase it, then increase it. So thank you so much for joining. If you have any questions, this video will be live on our YouTube channel and my LinkedIn channel as well. We'll be looking forward for any questions. Thank you.